Hello, beautiful soul. Before we float off into your fairy princess daydream, I want to lovingly remind you, if you're ready to embrace your femininity even more, I have a magical resource just for you. It's 30 days of femininity, an intentional way to explore your softness, confidence, and authentic feminine self. You can grab it anytime at beautifullychanged.com/feminine30. Now, let's drift into your beautiful, enchanted world. Take a soft, slow breath in. And as you exhale, imagine all the tension simply melting away. As you continue to breathe in and breathe out, allowing your body to sink into relaxation more and more, and to letting your mind float gently with my voice. Breathing in sweetness, beauty, pure, feminine energy. And exhaling out any stress, any heaviness, any thoughts that don't belong to your magical world right now. Good. Now, picture yourself awakening in the most beautiful, enchanted castle. Your bed is draped in layers of soft, pink satin and delicate lace and any other colors that you absolutely love. Sunlight streams in through tall windows, casting rainbows across the room from crystal prisms. The softest pastel colors surround you. Fresh flowers in vases, delicate perfumes filling the air. So much beauty already in this moment. You stretch, feeling utterly rested, as a gentle knock sounds at your door. Your handmaidens enter, kind, loving, dressed in flowing gowns, bringing you your morning tea on a silver tray. They smile at you and say, "Good morning, princess. Today is yours to enjoy, to shine, to be cherished, to delight." And as you rise, they help you into several beautiful feminine dresses, different colors, and you enjoy trying on all these different gowns, the different colors, the beautiful fabrics, patterns, styles, how they all hug your body a little bit differently, some more flattering than others, until you find the perfect gown. Soft silk, shimmering fabric, delicate ribbons perhaps. Maybe there's even lace or tiny sparkling gemstones. You twirl softly, watching the gown float around you. Take a moment now to imagine, what color is your gown? How does it feel against your skin? How beautiful do you look in the mirror? You glide through the grand hallways, your footsteps light and graceful. Outside, a royal carriage awaits to take you to the palace gardens. The gardens are endless, blooming roses, delicate tulips, lilac bushes, butterflies flutter by, birds sing sweet melodies, the sun kisses your skin, and everywhere you walk, people bow and smile, recognizing your beauty, grace, and presence. You are adored, respected. You are the living embodiment of femininity, softness, strength, and joy. You wander, hand trailing over the petals, feeling completely safe, cared for, and beautiful. Soon you hear the music of the palace ball beginning. Tonight you will dance under crystal chandeliers, wearing your most dazzling gown, your hair in soft cascading curls or an elegant updo, a sparkling tiara upon your head. You step into the ballroom. The floor gleams like glass. Everyone looks. You take their breath away, and everyone admires you. You glide effortlessly, twirling, laughing softly, feeling every inch the fairy princess you were always meant to be. And in this enchanted space, you realize this energy, this joy, this femininity, it lives within you, always. It's not just a fantasy, it's your truth. You deserve to feel beautiful, cherished, and empowered every single day. So repeat softly in your mind or aloud if you wish. I am a radiant feminine princess. I deserve beauty, joy, and love. I carry grace, confidence, and sweetness within me. I allow myself to feel beautiful, playful, and adored. I embrace my feminine magic. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine bringing all the sparkling princess energy back with you into your daily life. And whenever you wish, you can return to this enchanted feminine space, because it lives within your heart, always. And as you gently come back to the present moment, and when you're ready, you can gently wiggle your fingers and toes, coming back to the present moment. Feeling relaxed, beautiful, and completely empowered. If you loved this dreamy feminine escape, and you'd like more support, more hypnosis and meditation audios, behind the scenes connection, and a loving space to explore your femininity even deeper, you're warmly invited to join my Patreon community. It's called Beautifully Changed with Steph, and inside you'll find extra hypnosis audios, meditations, private content, and feminine empowerment tools to help you truly shine. You can explore it anytime at patreon.com/beautifullychangedwithsteph. I would absolutely love to welcome you there. Thank you for being here, beautiful princess. You deserve your fairy tale every single day. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Mwah.